In front of me is OPPO A57s, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this OPPO. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. Now you need to get this app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. DevCheck Device and System Info. Now, thanks to this app, you can learn all the informations about your OPPO's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!